y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, and today I'm standing in front of my closet because I finally have another try on haul for you guys. Of course, all my hauls are inexpensive. They are from a little bit of unlikely sources. I like to find pieces from places that most people would not think to shop at and just make it look good, okay? Everything in this haul I believe is under $30 except for one item. Real affordable, and everything is perfect for summer. Now if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you're watching this video all the way through because it is going to be a fun ride. Let me go ahead and step to the side, so let's hop right into it, okay? So first I want to start off with Costco. Now Costco is a place that so many people sleep on. Of course not everyone has a Sam's and Costco membership, but if you do have a membership, it's important to get that Costco card. Once you get that Costco card, then you gotta check the clothes. But they have really cute activewear, sleepwear, things like that. When it comes to stylish pieces, I love Sam's, but we're gonna get into that. So the first item that I got from Costco is this super cute tennis dress, or is this called like a golfing dress? I have no idea, but it has this little zip up function that I absolutely love. It's all black with a white trim. I got it in a size large. Now let me tell you, when it comes to this dress, go ahead and size up because I got a medium, which is usually my size, but it was way too tight in the bust area, so I went ahead and did the large. Yeah, I believe this dress was like $24. It is a little bit more expensive than another golfing dress that I got from another store, but the trim does make it worth it. It is so cute, the details, and then it has like this little slit right here. And what's different about this tennis dress is that the shorts underneath are connected, but it doesn't like go all the way up to the bra area as you're going to see in my next tennis dress that I show you. But it does have a little phone pocket, or aka a golf ball pocket, because it's really not big enough for your phone. So I like that it has a little razor back feature. The razor back does make it a little difficult to wear a bra. You might have to wear a bra where it connects in the back, or like I said, just go ahead and put on a strapless bra. So this is my first item that I got from Costco. Okay, so the next item that I purchased from Costco are these shorts right here. They're actually athletic shorts, but I got these shorts to go under my dresses. Whenever I get like shorts from Walmart or things like that to go underneath my dresses, they always roll up and they just don't stay down enough, which I absolutely hate. So I went ahead and picked these up. I believe that these were only $12, and I actually got these in the size large also. And these are by the brand Mondetta. If you look real closely, you can see the ribbing at the top, and then it even has pockets, which is amazing, so I can put things in my pockets underneath my dresses. I love that. And these are biker shorts, so they come down literally almost just above the knee. So this is not like short dress friendly. If anything, I'll just roll it up a little bit, but I prefer the shorts to be long enough so they're not rolling up and just giving me a wedgie and all that. You know, you can actually use them as athletic shorts, but I don't want to do that. I need this for underneath my dresses, okay? And this is one more item that I got from Costco, and this was on sale for like $6. I cannot pass it by. It's lightweight enough not to look like I have on a big clunky sweater or something that's just too hot. This is perfect. I absolutely love the length on it. The brand of this is Maddie M, and I got this in a size large, so I did size up because I just wanted it to be slouchy and oversized, so it'll be cute for fall, because I did not have a cardigan like this, and I got it in this white color, so it could be a neutral. Great thing about Costco, they are going to go down on their clothing items, and it's going to have that little asterisk next to it, and it's going to show that it is, you know, about to leave. That means it's on sale, and it's time for you to get it, honey. So be checking Costco because Costco items go down really cheap. When it comes to Sam's, first of all, Sam's is like the unhealthy version of Costco when it comes to food and other stuff, but when it comes to clothes, they definitely have the best clothes. You just got to keep your eyes peeled. First thing that I got are these nice little Bermuda shorts. These shorts were regular $49, and I got them for $10, okay? And I got these in a size 8. Now I feel like I could have sized down a little bit. I have been losing a little bit of weight, but if anything, I'll just take these in. You guys know I'm a seamstress. They do have pockets, which I love, and then they have like these cute little silver button details on the front of the shorts. And once again, I love the length because not everything has to be super short. I love these. Very glad I purchased it. Now Sam's had a lot of cute items. I didn't even purchase everything that was cute from Sam's, so definitely go check. Right now they have some really cute things that's on sale and on rotation, but I just decided to pick up this one dress, and it is actually DKNY, and it is really light salmon color. I hope it's translating well on camera. I hope it's not washing it out. And I got this dress on sale for $16. I got this in a medium. This is a nice little like flowy house dress, but I'll definitely be wearing this out. It is linen, but it is lightweight, so it'll be perfect to wear out throughout the summer. It is see-through, so I will suggest black undergarments. I will be wearing my little black shorts underneath this. It's very light and airy. I can even see myself wearing this to church. It is a maxi dress. It literally touches the floor, but it does have this little, you know, side slit right here, which makes it a little bit different, so it's not just a regular square going all the way down. Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela Janae here from the future. I actually went to Sam's recently and I purchased some more stuff, like someone needs to take my card away, but these sales have been so good at Sam's. So once again, I got so much things that were under $15, so let me show you what else I got. Okay, so first I got these two tops right here, and they were $10 a piece. These are actually by Vince Camuto. This looks like white, but it's actually like a cream color, and this is a beautiful bright like electric blue. I don't have anything this color in my closet, so I definitely have to pick this up. The sleeves are really cute. At first when I saw them, I thought they were like a puff sleeve, but they're actually like a gathered twisted cross sleeve. The shirt is like a lightweight ribbed material, but the sleeves are a light cotton t-shirt type of feel, and I love the length on these. They're not too short, they're perfect for tucking in, and I got these shirts in a size large just because they are on the thinner and stretchier side, so I didn't want them to be too clingy to my stomach and all that. I'd rather things have a looser fit. One thing that I will say when it comes to shopping, especially at like stores like this, go with what feels right, not the size that you think you are. I'm gonna always go with the fit, not just saying, oh, I want to be a medium, so I'm always going to get a medium, or I feel like I'm a small, so I'm gonna get a small. No, if I want something to fit a certain way, I'm gonna get a large. I'd rather be comfortable than anything. Okay, I picked up 3 pairs of these cargo shorts for only like $12 a piece. Now don't ask me why I got 3, but I don't have any shorts in these colors at all, and I got these shorts in a size 8, and they have functional pockets on the back, pockets on the side, and functional cargo pockets in the front. These cargo shorts are so cute, and they're by Eddie Bauer, and they were on sale for $12. You cannot go wrong with these. I actually could have fit a 6 because I tried it on in the store, but I wanted these to be a little bit of a looser fit, so I went ahead and went with the 8. So on the tag it says these shorts were $59.99, and I got them literally for $12. This is the pretty blue color, and I like that it is like a school pants blue. It's so cute, very nautical looking. I also picked up the khaki, of course, and I think a khaki cargo short is definitely essential for the summertime. I can already see myself wearing on 4th of July with like some red and some white. Very all-American. Also the blue shorts, I can see that being worn on 4th of July too. I almost forgot about my second golfing dress. I got this dress right here, and this is by the brand Gap Fit. It is so cute and well fitting. It is in a size medium, and it is fully lined. I love that about it. It's in this beautiful pink color. They have this dress in blue, white, and black, but I went ahead and went with this color because your girl loves pink, and it has bra padding in it, so you guys do not need to wear a bra with this, which I absolutely love. It does have pockets, and it's not a golf ball pocket. You can actually fit your phone in these pockets. You can't really go wrong with it. This nice material, I absolutely love this, and this was actually $16, way cheaper than the Costco version of that dress. So shout out to Sam's because they definitely did that with that dress. TJ Maxx is actually not a store that I go to enough because you kind of gotta like look through a lot of stuff. They didn't even have this like in a section. This was on a movable rack, and they didn't even put it on the real clothing racks yet, and people were scooping it up. So this is a full denim tube top jumpsuit, and guess what, it was only $25, literally $24.99, and you can't go wrong. I got this in a size medium. That's the thing about TJ Maxx. I hate showing this to you guys, and you guys probably won't be able to find it. I'd rather show things from stores that you guys can go out and get it, because TJ Maxx is really up in the air. Hopefully by the time that I film my little try on portion, I already hemmed this. This jumpsuit is literally dragging the floor. It is so long, like I can't even extend my arms all the way to show you guys how long it is. I'm literally stepping all over this jumpsuit, and it's probably really long because I got it in a size large, and this thing does have pockets, which just makes it so much cuter. And I love that it is in a dark wash of this denim. I can see me wearing this very often because it is just too cute. Okay, so now for the fun part, we are to my girl Walmart. You guys know I'm a Walmart girly. That is where I get 90% of my clothes, as you can see by what is going to be shown in this haul. And it's not even about always shopping in store. A lot of people just see what they see in store and don't continue to look around. You have to go online. Really, Scoop and Free Assembly are up there for me. Sofia Vergara are my big 3. That's where I get most of my items, and they do go on sale sometimes. Okay, so for most expensive items from Walmart, I have this denim jacket for $32. I do have a couple other denim jackets, but I needed something that was a little bit smaller and shorter. First of all, this is by Free Assembly, and it is in a size medium. It has this cute little puff shoulder detail, but it's not too much of a puff, because trust me, if it was too much of a puff I wouldn't have purchased it. Okay, I don't like a puff sleeve. It has outside pockets, but it also has an inside pocket, which I love about Walmart's denim jackets. I actually have another jacket that I purchased from Walmart, and it's by the brand Scoop, and it has inside pockets. I can definitely see myself keeping this for years to come. First, I want to show you guys these linen shorts. I got these actually in store from Walmart, and this is actually a part of a linen set. It comes with like a little matching blazer, but I'm not really a blazer girl. They have back pockets and they have regular pockets in the front. They're not deep at all. You can't put nothing in them, so just know that. And this is of course linen material, so it does get really wrinkly. In this black color you actually can't tell as much that it is that wrinkly, but in this tan color you can definitely see the wrinkles. I really like these shorts. They are going to be a staple in my summer closet just to throw on. They do have elastic in the back here, and I got these in a size small. Sometimes these store sizes always get me. These khakis are a little bit more see-through than the black, of course, so I would recommend black underwear, but they actually hit me at a really nice spot. They're not too short, so I really do appreciate that, and they fit really well. I see myself wearing these a lot, and I believe I got these for like under $16 for sure. They were either $10 or $12. Okay, so next up for Walmart, I have this cute lightweight sweater polo. I got this to go with a skirt I'm specifically just made, but I can see myself wearing this all year long. It's lightweight and cute. This is in a size large, and it's the Scoop fitted polo tee neck sweater, and it was $24. Very cute. The only reason I got it in a large was because the medium was out of stock, but the large actually fits me perfectly. Like I said, I don't be needing everything super tight, so this works out. This is a little see-through, so I would definitely recommend black undergarments. I'm definitely trying my hardest to keep this clean because it is a beautiful light cream color, and it just feels so nice and so soft, and it feels really great on the skin. So I'm so excited and very happy that I went ahead and snagged this, even though it wasn't in the size I wanted. It fits perfectly. Okay, so next up from Walmart is another Scoop item, and it is in this cute, like perfect fall burnt orange. This color screams fall, and this is just a basic tank in the size medium. This is the SP high neck baby tee tank, and it was only $9. This is so cute. It kind of fits you almost like a bodysuit. I can put my little cardigan from Costco over it, or I can put my jean jacket over it. Or I can just wear it by itself with really cute jewelry, some necklaces, some earrings, and be styling and profiling. So cute. It's definitely a fit all by itself, but I absolutely love this little tank. Now, since we're talking about basics, I purchased these two bodysuits. These are actually time and true. I want to say these were $10, and I got them in white, and I also got one in purple. Now these are two different sizes. When I want something, I'm gonna just do the alterations I need to do. So this one right here, the purple one, is a medium, and the white is a large, and I did have to take it up underneath the arm because that's where I had the extra material at, so I took that in myself to make this item work because I definitely wanted these now. But this feels amazing, like body contouring and smoothing. It's the thick spandex. It doesn't feel cheap at all. You can wear any color bra with this because it is almost like it is double layered. You can't really see anything through the material. This white one, I would probably still wear a black bra just to be safe. I never wear colored bras when it comes to white tops, but the purple one, you're definitely good because it's not see-through at all. I literally had no solid color items, so if you notice that I got a lot of basics in this haul, that is why. As you can see from this top right here, I'm a color girl, and patterns and prints are my thing, so I needed some pieces that were a little bit more plain. So I definitely see myself keeping these for a very long time. I love the quality of these. They're worth every penny. Okay, so once again, another basic that I picked up is this Sofia Vergara tee. I've heard this top being compared to like Skims. I know her items are supposed to be really smoothing and tight, but not looking too tight and cheesy. This is in a size large actually because it's better to size up. I was definitely watching a lot of videos and people were saying go ahead and size up in this, and I'm glad I did. It does fit a little bit on the tighter side, and this is once again another baby tee. It's not super long, and it is bra friendly. It's not super see-through, and I absolutely love this shirt. So cute, so simple, but it's definitely worth the money. And that shirt was only $10. You cannot go wrong with that. So cute. Okay, so next up from Walmart, I have another free assembly top because it actually has this cute linen poplin feeling sleeve. So this right here is a nice little stretchy material, almost like a cotton t-shirt, and then the sleeve is a whole different material. Now when I purchased it online, I didn't know that. I actually wanted this shirt in a nice Kelly green color, but it sold out, and I was like, I still need that shirt. I don't want it in white. Let me get it in black. I got this in a size medium, and this is called the Henley puff sleeve tee in the color Black Soot. Okay, so the next item that I purchased from Walmart is something that you guys may not be able to find because I purchased this in store when it was on super duper clearance. I got this shirt for literally $9 and it is by No Boundaries. No Boundaries is definitely like Walmart's like lower level junior brand. I don't really like a lot of No Boundaries, but this is an item that I can not overwear, because sometimes when you overwear No Boundaries and stuff like that, it'll start to stretch out. It just doesn't do well, I found, over time. But this is something that I'm going to only be pulling out in the winter time. It is this little lightweight sweater crop top. It has a v-neck and I got it in the size extra large, honey, because these items were running small. I'm not wearing it in the summer right now, but I thought I'd include it because it was on sale at my local Walmart. And last but certainly not least, I have this Free Assembly really cute printed top right here, button ruffle shirt, and this is in a size medium. It is so cute, and it is actually the only thing in this haul with the pattern on it. It has these red and white flowers. This did come in solid colors, white and black. It does have a double ruffle sleeve. It has a lot going on for sure, but I can definitely see this with some jeans shorts, my linen black shorts. I cannot wait to begin wearing these items because it's just so cute, and Free Assembly is a part of my big three, so I just love it. I probably will not be wearing this all buttoned up. I really like it open, so that's how I'll be wearing it. It is a full button sleeve shirt, so you can completely control how many buttons you want open or not. I would definitely recommend a black bra with this because you can definitely see different colors through this. That is all I have for the Walmart section. I have one more dress I want to show you. I actually got it from Mexico while I was recently on my cruise. If you guys did not watch my little cruise vlog, go ahead and check it out. Of course, you guys cannot purchase this dress online or anything, but I was like, let me go ahead and show it to y'all. This is why I don't have any plain clothes, because if I see anything in rainbow, I'm gonna get it. I actually had a previous dress like this. I got it from Mexico when I was younger, when I went on a cruise, but it wasn't this long. So I got this dress. Of course, it is one size fits all because it is so like ruched and stuff. So you just stretch it, you put it on. Your girl is not buying a lot of clothes that are over $30 at all. I think I got this for either $20 or $16, but I do not regret this purchase, and it's something I'm going to keep for a long time because no matter how big I get, this dress is going to fit me. Okay, so I think that is it for this little try on haul. I'm so happy that you guys made it all the way to the end. If you made it to the end, go ahead and leave me a little shopping bag emoji. Let me know which item was your favorite, which item are you planning to go out and purchase, because I'm very interested. As always, I reply to every comment down in the comments, so go ahead and talk to me and I'll talk back. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. That's where we get all the behind the scenes of what I'm doing in the salon, what products I'm doing, what products I'm using on my hair at the time. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed with the post notification bell turned on. I will be seeing you guys in my next video.